guys, welcome to my closet. Basically, I've got a light just literally shining in front of my face, so I might be a bit, the lighting is a little bit tricky in this wardrobe, so bear with me. But I'm just here, I'm just going to do my makeup quickly. So I'm not going for really heavy makeup because I'm at home. So I just made like a soup, butternut squash soup, like you saw when I was making it. And some of my girlies, they coming tonight for some sort of light dinner. So we're going to have like a cheesy night, basically, with some wine and chit chat. You can't really go wrong with that when you have some of your nice girlies. So this is what we'll be doing. So I don't really want to do a lot of makeup because it's not going to be long. I'm still going to be washing the makeup off, so I don't want to even stress myself. So I'm just looking for my concealer. I really do not want to put makeup on, but I think I'm just going to put my makeup right now. Usually I use this L'Oreal. I don't know if you guys can see. So I'm just going to dabble like that. It ran out, so I have not been to town to go buy a new one. So I'm just doing it like this, and why not? Just put tiny concealer, not too much. I'm putting the product as if I'm scared of the product, but I don't just want a lot because I just had my, oh my god, this is a lot actually. I don't really utilize this room as much for my content. I think I have to refigure this room again and start using it better. So that's that. So where's my red lipstick? I used to have a red lipstick here. Where's the red lipstick? Anyway, I'll come back to you guys when I'm fully dressed, then I'll show you my outfit. So guys, so this is the full look. So at the end, I just throw in this dress that I bought from Zara because I just wanted something a bit really easy. I don't want anything too complex, and I put this sort of poncho on top of it. And I did my hair like this with my little earring. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, little earring there. So it's very simple, and I'm just going to wear my slippers. Sorry, mind the background. I've been doing some fashion content, so that's why there's shoes and clothes everywhere. So yeah, so this is the evening look I'm going for. So sorry, the light is just a nightmare. It's not giving what it should be giving. I'm so sorry about that. So I'll be using this perf because the smell is not as strong. So this is just honestly perfect. So let me go back and go continue with the food. guys, how you guys doing? Good morning. This is a Friday. I think the last time I picked this camera, guys, I think it's when I hosted some of my girlies in my house. We were having a cheese night and I made a butternut squash. I think you've seen that clip before this one. So I tell you what, that soup was amazing. It just really is nice to catch up with friends. Girls' nights, honestly, they are the best nights ever. We had amazing time. It was so much fun. Yeah, it's just incredible. Anyway, as you can see, I'm traveling today, guys. So I'm going to be packing my stuff. So I will be showing you guys some of the things I'll be packing. We off skiing. So the kids are in school. We're just going to pick them up from school and off we go. We're going to France. We're going to go ski for a week because in the UK is the half term. So it's amazing. But like we've been really sick in this house. Like my husband has been sick. There's like a bug or a virus that they've caught. I just feel like I'm coming down with something. I don't know if I will be able to ski because I've been looking after everybody else, especially if you have kids in school, and he has been sick for like 2 weeks. He hasn't been able to do stuff, and my son is still very much bunked up as well. So I've been blowing his nose, I've been touching, I've been trying to wash my hand as much as possible, and my husband got the same virus, and of course we sleep in the same room, and the chances of me getting it is very high. I'm even surprised that I haven't caught this thing for a long time. But this morning I woke up, I'm just feeling like, girl, it seems like you might have gotten something, but I'm not affirming it into my life. I'm affirming greatness. I'm affirming like I'm going to be able to ski. I'm not going to go on this holiday be sick. Otherwise, skiing is very physical. Otherwise, I cannot ski. So I just have to take some books with me anyway. So hopefully, let's see. I'm just taking it really easy, but let me show you guys what I am packing. Sometimes you plan things like this and it could just go, the way you don't want it, but I hope that this time it's not going to be like that. So basically, these are my ski stuff. So I've kind of put everything together. So if you're new to ski, and I'm just going to quickly just run through everything that I'll be doing, then yeah, you could pack with me basically. So this is like my fleece. So I'm going to go with 2 fleece. To be honest with you, I think one will be enough, but I'm not going to risk it because we're driving, so I can always put things at the back of the car. So this is my gloves, so you definitely need this. I always take like the warmer. So this is like the hand warmer, just in case it get really cold. But to be honest with you, this period in the UK, we've been having like a spring-like weather in the UK, so it's not really cold, but I don't know how it will be in the mountain because I think this year the snow condition is not as good, but fingers crossed, right? And these are the socks. So I'm taking this, how many? 1 2 3 4 6 8. So I'm taking 8 socks. So these are specifically, this is not just ordinary socks, just in case you're trying to pack for the first time to ski. This is skiing socks. Basically, I've taking those ones. I don't really want those ones. They look a little bit too old. So I'm just going to go with these ones. So these are my ski socks. I'll just throw this one on that. So that's that pile. So I've got my glove, I've got my fleece, and this is my long john, what they call long john. It's like tight, but it's specifically for skiing. I bought this one from Mountain Warehouse, so I just say long john anyway. So I've got 3 of those. So usually what I do, I wear that, and these are my base layer. Oh god, I think I have too many base layers. Yeah, so these are my base layers. So you wear these first with the trouser, with this one. God, I've got a lot of long john actually. So this is your base. You wear this tool like a base. Then you now wear your salapes. So this is my salapes. Then you wear your ski jacket. So I'm going with black this time. And this is a lip balm. It has the UV factor into it. Yeah, I always use this one. I've got two. Two of those. No, three actually. Wow. So I've got three. So yeah, let me start packing everything. I don't want this video to be too long. Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Hey guys, as I was just packing my bits here to take with me, so the door, somebody knocked on the door. Then I went and I did my daughter's passport. I think I did a vlog of it. That was in September, ages ago. And they didn't bring this passport. So this Nigerian passport just literally came in. I think it has taken 5 months. There we go. It just literally came in. It has taken 5 good months. So December I went to Nigeria with my kids. She went with expiring passport. I can't believe it. So when the guy knocked, I was just like, finally, it has taken almost 5 or 6 months for this thing to come. It is incredible, unbelievable. It's not good enough, honestly, not good enough. Anyway, let me crack on. I'm really feeling not very well. I don't think I will be able to ski. I'm not feeling really well. I've taken paracetamol and ibuprofen. So I'm just hoping that we're going on a very long journey. So, anyway. So basically, time to go. Okay, let's go grab the little babas. My alarm is going to start crying now. And I'll see you guys. Fine. There's one empty up there. That's annoying. So guys, we just literally stopped at the terminal before we take the train that will cross us to France. So yeah, so we're just going to grab something to eat because in the other side, once we cross, I think we have like 10 minutes drive to the hotel before we eat something. We don't want to eat, we're just going to go straight to bed. So guys, so we just got to the apartment that we're going to be staying overnight. It's very nice. So tomorrow is when we're doing the hefty journey to our ski resort, so where we'll be staying. So I'll just quickly just give you the room tour or show you the apartment. It's really nice apartment. So yeah, so let me start with this. So this is the master room. So it's very nice. So this is the bed we'll be staying tonight. I actually quite like this lamp. It's quite cool. How do you switch it on? Everything is very censored. It's very nice apartment actually. There's a remote here. I don't know how to. But how does it work? I have no idea. Anyway, we'll just leave it for now. So this is the bed. It's a really nice big room. It's very clean, very minimalistic. Really is nice. And there's this lovely plant here, very healthy. I wish I could keep my plants healthy like that. So this is the bathroom. Oh gosh, where do you switch on this light? No, this is not. Very strange. Oh, it's here. So this is the bathroom. Very nice. And it have washing machine and a tumble dryer. So this is the bathroom. And that's me. I'm a bit tired. I just need a good sleep tonight, guys. And the kids are so happy. And where's this? Oh, this is a little store. This is a proper, literally a proper apartment.
Drive.
Oh,
down,
this is the low. Yeah.
and the train. It's quite a feels pretty interesting.
Just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. Every shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So the morning is very nice. So I'm going to start have your shower. It's so happy because it's like computer game everywhere. You know, we don't really have games.